Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your USB wireless adapter on your Windows computer. Now in this example I'm going to be installing the DWA180 USB wireless adapter. However, if you have a different model of adapter, the setup steps should pretty much be the same. Now if you have the setup CD that came with your USB adapter, you can go ahead and insert that now. However, if you have lost that setup CD, you can always download the drivers for that adapter from our support website. Now in this example, I'm going to be downloading the drivers. So to do that, we want to go to our support website. So from your web browser, up in the address bar, we're going to go to support.dlink.ca. And then from the support site, you just want to go ahead and enter in the model number of your adapter into the search bar. Again, in this example, I'm installing the DWA180. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that and then click search. I'm just going to select the product. Click on the Downloads tab. Now in the download list, you'll see the driver. You want to make sure you select the Windows version and click on Download. Now when you're downloading the file, you're going to want to make sure you save it somewhere where you can easily find it. In this example, I'm going to be saving it to my desktop. Then once the download's complete, you can go ahead and close down your web browser. And then you'll see now on your desktop that you're going to have the downloaded driver. You're just going to want to double click on that. Now inside that folder, you should have a setup file or some other executable. So in this case, we're just going to double click on this executable file and the setup wizard should appear. Now in most cases, the default settings work just fine. So we're just going to click on next. We're just going to click on next until it prompts us to plug in the adapter. So here it's asking us to plug in the adapter into the computer. So you're going to want to go ahead and do that now. Once it's plugged in, just go ahead and click the next button. And the adapter should start installing. Now once the setup's complete, it's going to ask you now to connect to your wireless network, and it's going to give you two different options. Here, the first option here is to manually select the wireless network that you want to connect to. And the second option is to connect via WPS. Now, if you're not sure if your router supports WPS, go ahead and select the first option. So we're going to go ahead and select the first option here. Click on next. Now, it's going to ask you to enter in the name of your wireless network. If you don't want to do that, just go ahead and click on the scan button. Clicking on the scan button will have the adapter scanned for all available wireless signals. From there, you just want to select your wireless signal and click next. And if your wireless signal is security enabled, it's going to ask you to enter in your wireless password. So then you just want to go ahead and enter in your wireless password. And then click next. And then click on the finish button. We're going to click on finish again to finalize the setup. And then that's it. So looking down in the bottom right hand corner by your clock, you should have a little bars icon. If we're going to click on that, and the D-Link wireless utility should pop up. So up at the top here, it'll show you your connected status. It'll tell you if you're connected or not. It'll show you the wireless network name that you're connected to and the IP address that you received from your router. And then that's it. Your wireless adapter is now installed and you should now be connected to your wireless network. For more helpful videos, please check out support.dlink.ca.